So hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. We can take a look at the ADA chart once more today. A lot of requests for a second ADA video. And yeah, I think the price action is quite interesting at the moment because we are, in my opinion, across the crypto market, close to bottoming out, close to finding a low, close to reversing back into a bull run. But again, it could still take several weeks to find that low, but nevertheless, compared to where we're coming from, this is quite a short period of time because ADA, for example, started the correction already in September. So let's take a look at what I said in the previous video, then we can set the scene here for this video, and we can take a look at the TA afterwards. 5-wave move, and we now have to expect that we are actually moving down here in a wave 1. Yeah, completed a wave 1, and we now go on our next journey in a wave 2 retracement. This is, I think, what we can now expect in the wave 2 retracement. So we will need to calculate the entire retracement here for the wave 2. Let me just think. Yeah, from here to the low. And what is normally a likely retracement area for a wave 2? Well, we would normally expect here to reach the area between the 38.2% fib level and the 61.8 with the highest likelihood. Yeah. So what we need to do. So as you can see there, the target area was spanning between 59.5 cents and 63.1. Let's take a look at what actually was reached. And there you go. You can see that this target area was reached already. We had already a strong reaction to it, but still it currently doesn't look like this move up is already over, because we don't really see here on the 1 hour chart, don't really see any kind of a red candle. So no, it moved as expected from the video earlier today. Yeah, from when I made this video here, can't remember where we were actually. We were at 56 cents. Okay, then we moved up to nearly 60 cents. So this is also where we expected that wave 2 actually to end, sort of in this region here between the 38.2 and the 61.8% fib level. Now a wave 2 normally goes a little bit higher than the 38.2. Usually you have a wave 4 going to the 38.2. The wave 2 would normally go to the 50% or the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. So at the moment I would still expect it to move a little bit higher. We can label here this wave 2 as an ABC pattern, so an A, B, C, yeah, and this here was a wave B because you can clearly see the 3-wave move in it. And this is how we could see it, an A, a B, and a C. And we can currently also calculate the more exact target area for that wave C based on the 1.618 Fibonacci extension of the wave A, and that would take us actually to 62 cents. Yeah, that would be well within the upper half of that yellow target area. Now, where I believe we will find resistance is here around the 50%, and that pretty much matches it. So as I just said, probably around 62 cents. The 50% fib level is at 61.3. That previous swing high here, just above the wave 4, is also at 62 cents. So, you know, we can expect here certainly a lot of resistance, in my opinion, in especially this area here, yeah, sort of between 61.3 and 62.3 cents. I think this is where the wave C in the wave 2 might peak, and then we might turn around from there. That is how I can currently see it with the highest likelihood. That we have a reversal here would be confirmed. It's a bit too early to say that because the higher we go, there might be another swing low. So when you see another swing low, and it would be then the breakout below that swing low. At the moment, we have the last swing low here at 55.4 cents. So if we break below that, it looks like that this wave 2 will be over. And should it happen now, I would label the wave 2 as complete already. And then we would continue our move down, probably in an impulsive move to the downside. We would expect here the previous swing low of the wave 1 to be broken at 54 cents. And then we will have another sell-off. This is how I primarily see it at the moment. From the peak here, we have been coming down, and at the moment it is really looking like that this here was the peak of the wave 4, and I will need to relabel this one because this assumed that there would be another leg down and then up. but I already revised it in the last video and told you that the way we came down here looked very impulsive, and that we can now expect a wave 2 to the upside, which would mean there will be another wave 3 to the downside, a wave 4 up, and a wave 5 down, and that should then ideally land in the low 30s here, and that would probably complete the overall correction for ADA. So at the moment, it's all going according to plan, yeah, and also the structure at the moment looks very corrective, yeah. In fact, it is even a bearish pattern that is evolving here, in addition to what we see actually on the Elliott wave count chart. So I mean, you can understand this as some kind of a bearish flag. You could probably even see it as a ascending wedge, which would also be bearish. And there are a few different ways of sort of labeling it. You could even see it here as an ascending wedge, but all of these would be in the current situation rather bearish patterns. So it's interesting, and we will see how this is going to play out. But primary expectation at the moment, also due to the corrective nature of the price structure here and the ABC, which is at the moment there is no evidence for a bullish move here. This currently suggests that this is just corrective again, and that we will see another move down here from somewhere in this target area. Bear in mind, a wave 2 can also go a bit higher, but when I see the evidence for it, I will let you know. A wave 2 can sometimes go to the 78.6, in extreme cases also to the 88.7, so also to 65.6 cents and 67.2 cents. But I think also below, because of the wave 4 high here and that significant swing high, we should see a reversal here. And yeah, so the indicators don't really tell us a lot. There's still an uptrend here on the 1 hour chart, especially because we're really looking at the smaller wave counts here at the moment. Also here the RSI doesn't suggest that the uptrend is broken. We are currently seeing here on the RSI here that we stay above 50. Yeah, so also here we still have that long signal on the ADX suggesting that this small move up here isn't over yet. All right, and that is my updated view here about ADA. Hope that makes it clear. We can have a final look at the higher level wave count as well, because we want to keep the orientation. And the higher level wave count suggests that we had here in May 2021 an all-time high back then. That was a wave 1. We came down in a wave A. For some reason the label has disappeared here. Came down in a wave A. We moved up in a wave B, an overshooting wave B, which is part of the correction. And then much earlier than many other cryptos, we started the major sell-off from here in a wave C. And this wave C is a 5-wave move. And yeah, we're currently in that wave 5 in the last leg. And this is what we're taking a look here in these videos at this last leg down in particular, where it also makes sense to label it in a little bit more detail, because we want to understand where the low will be. And yeah, as soon as we see confirmation now that the last leg down, the last downtrend here on the smaller wave count scale here time frame has started by breaking below the previous swing low at 55.4 cents, then we can look at price targets for that move down. All right, and that is here my view. Yeah, so hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.